Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you a haul video, and it's not exactly the haul video I was planning on making, but I still think it's a good one nonetheless. So originally I was planning on purchasing like a bunch of new makeup products from, different brands that I wanted to try out, for the next few months, but I ended up having to purchase something a little bit more expensive than all of those combined, so that took up my budget for makeup products instead. But before I purchased that, I ended up getting a few products. So I know Sephora had their VIB sale going on. I wanted to pick up the Marc Jacobs Topaz Flash Sequence Shadow, but they were sold out of it, so I was like, alright, well, I guess I'll just have to wait again. But I did end up getting one item from the Sephora VIB sale. Not much, but I got the Beauty Blender Electric Swirl, and it's so cute. I really love how it's so swirly and colorful. It's really cute. I accidentally threw mine away, and I knew that the VIB sale was coming up, and I was like, I'll just get one from Sephora. So I really love the color. The only thing is the texture of the material feels different. This one seems way more squishy. If I squish it, it pretty much goes flat. And I don't remember any of my other beauty blenders doing that. It's just really squishy. So I don't know if maybe I'm just used to having my older beauty blenders and using those, and they've just gotten more hard and stiff. But this one just seems really squishy, but I do like it. The only downside I would say is just that it shows more of your makeup on it, so you're constantly having to, you should anyways, but you're constantly having to clean it, just so that there's no stains or anything on it. But other than that, I really like it. The next few items that I purchased before my big purchase were some skincare products from Glycelene. So I got 3 products here. The first one is the Glycelene SeaTox Mist, which I talked about in my empties video. I had a little sample of it from Christmas time, and I was so excited to finally purchase this. It's a detoxifying skin protectant. I love the brand Glycelene. The creator of it, her name is Kim Borio, and she is a professional makeup artist, and she created this amazing line of luxury vegan organic skincare. I've been using her products for maybe 4 to 5 years now. She also has eczema, and so she created a line that was safe enough for eczema use. And so I originally started using her products based off her eczema ointment because I didn't want to use steroid creams anymore. So I found her product, and then we've been in contact ever since, and have become friends through that. And so I just love her product line. Everything is so good that I've tried. I've talked about her hair oil and her other skincare items. So yeah, anyways, let me tell you a little bit about the SeaTox Mist. I pulled it up on my iPad here so that I could read it to you. So it retails for $70. She does offer a pro discount, which is awesome and so helpful. So it says detoxifying skin protectant. Glycelene SeaTox Mist is a revolutionary alcohol-free mist with healing sea botanicals and dragon's blood extract. An uplifting yet calming face mist with marine notes that delivers active ingredients and antioxidants immediately to the skin to hydrate, protect, and support skin cell renewal. This anti-inflammatory spritz awakens the skin while decongesting and detoxing. Formulated with a patented technology that repels pollution and protects the skin throughout the day, this refresher also helps with jet lag recovery. It comes with 1.7 fluid ounces, which is 50 milliliters. The benefits are deep seawater detoxes and remineralizes skin. Dragon's blood extract effectively helps with inflammation and bad bacteria. Formulated with sea botanicals and dragon's blood extract, contains extracts from deep sea thermal vents, protects the skin from external daily pollution, deep seawater detoxes and remineralizes the skin. So yeah, like I said, I am obsessed with this SeaTox Mist. Everything about it is so good. It smells delicious, and it just feels really hydrating and really satisfying to have on your skin. It doesn't sting or burn. There's no alcohol in it, so it's not gonna smell like alcohol. It's not gonna sting your face. All it does is just protect and rehydrate your skin, so I really love that. The next product that I got was the Opalescent eye serum. I already use her eye repair oil, which is really nice. It smells like cucumbers. It's really amazing feeling. But I started noticing that after I stopped using the Tata Harper restorative eye cream, I started, like once I finished that, I started noticing that I was getting like little tiny wrinkles around my eyes, and I don't want any wrinkles. So I reached out to Kim and I was like, what should I do? Because like I'm not really like seeing anything with just using that eye repair oil. Like I know that's helping to depuff, but like I'm still noticing some wrinkles, and so she told me like to definitely try the Opalescent eye serum because that's what it's made to do. So let me read to you what's on the website. Opalescent eye serum. It retails for $85, but again, I get the pro discount. This lightweight peptide-infused eye treatment formulated to drastically reduce the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. This water light serum deeply hydrates, brightens, and firms with a powerful cocktail of peptides, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and antioxidants. Cooling cucumber extract acts as an instant anti-inflammatory for a revitalized, lifted look. With continued use under the eye area, it will appear less lined, smoother, firmer, and brighter. It comes with 10 milliliters. Combats 3 signs of tiredness and aging typical of the delicate skin area: dark circles, eye bags, and wrinkles. The key ingredients: 2 powerful peptides that target all of the issues such as lifting, firming, dark circles, eye bags, and moisture loss. Hyaluronic acid, which is an instant hydration and creates a moisture barrier on the skin. Oleosomes, known for excellent softening, moisturizing, and skin nurturing properties. I really like this eye serum. What I've been doing is putting it on morning and night, so I'll put it on after I apply my serum, and then I'll apply the eye repair oil on top of that, and then I'll use like my rose quartz roller or the golden ice globes from Glycelene, and I'll use that and I'll massage my face with it. And I've been using it for 3 days now, and I've already noticed that a lot of like my fine lines are starting to go away, and I've been applying it on my forehead too, where I've been noticing like a couple wrinkles forming, and those are already starting to like lessen. So this stuff is really awesome. I really love it, and I'm so happy that I finally like picked this up. And then the third thing that I picked up from Glycelene, I actually had just asked for a sample of it because I had wanted to try it, but Kim was so kind and gifted me the mini size of it, and it is the Rejuvenation Creme, which says anti-aging with cucumber peptides. So I wanted to try the Rejuvenation Creme because I was reading online and I was looking at it, and it sounded really nice like for hydrating and to also be very like preventative and anti-aging. So that's why I had asked for a sample, and she was so kind to gift me the little one. The full size version, not this one, but a bigger size, it retails for $95. But again, if you apply for a professional discount, you can get a discount on that. It's 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, and it says formulated using skin plumping hyaluronic acid, firming peptides, and lipids that restore collagen and improve elasticity. This nourishing lightweight creme is carefully handcrafted using the highest quality organic botanicals such as orange water, organic sunflower oil, and organic shea butter. Antioxidants such as red and brown algae help as an anti-inflammatory and increase skin resiliency. Feel your skin transform while indulging in the refreshing aroma of cooling cucumber extract that helps soothe and calm sensitive skin. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, peptides, red and brown algae, Canadian willow herb, and cucumber extract. It's great for people with sensitive skin and people suffering from rosacea, sunburn, sun damage, and windburn. The benefits are that it helps increase elasticity and firmness, provides protection against pollution, replenish, attract, and bind moisture, and it's anti-inflammatory. To use, it says to apply AM or PM. After cleansing and toning, apply to the face, neck, and décolleté. For best results, use over beauty serum and skin supplement luxury face oil. I have been using this the past few days as well, morning and night, and I really love how my skin feels. What I've been doing is just applying a face oil on top of this. So I'll do like my serum and then this and then my face oil. I've actually created a little demo for you guys, which I'll be placing after I finish talking about this. That way you can see how I have incorporated these products into my skincare routine. So I feel like my skin's very glowy, it feels very hydrated. I haven't been needing to use my eczema ointment, which is great because normally after I apply my face oil, I always have to put that on like this whole area of my eczema. So I haven't been needing to do that with this, which is really awesome. But it feels really good. It just like keeps my skin feeling really nice throughout the day. I've never really had a problem with needing to like touch up my makeup or anything, and so this hasn't created any excess oils or anything like that. My skin just feels really nice with it, so I wouldn't say that you need to worry about that. I really love the Glycelene line, so if you haven't checked that out, I definitely recommend it. I'm really happy that I was able to purchase these before my other big purchase. So now I'm just going to show you my little demo of how I incorporate these products, and I will see you in just a second. Hey guys, okay, so like I said in the video, I wanted to do a little demo of how these new Glycelene products sort of like fit into my skincare routine. So I'm going to start off with the Glycelene SeaTox Mist, and it is a detoxifying skin protectant. What I do is I just mist it on my face and my neck. I use quite a bit because it feels so nice. It like really rehydrates the skin, and then I just sort of like tap it in. It smells like cucumbers and like the ocean or something like that. It smells so good, I really like it. So the next I'm gonna go in with my Aloha Youth Serum, and I just take 2 pumps of this. This one's from Hanua. Next, we would go in with the Glycelene Opalescent Eye Serum, which is supposed to lift and firm. And I just take a little pump on my finger, about this much. Whoop. And this one smells really good too. It sort of smells like cucumbers. I think really everything sort of smells like cucumbers from Glycelene. And then I'm just gonna tap it under my eyes and around the corners here. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my forehead too, because it's supposed to help with like any signs of wrinkles. And I don't want wrinkles. And then next I'm gonna apply the Glycelene Eye Repair Oil on top of that. And this one smells like cucumbers for sure. This is just gonna lock in the Opalescent serum in place. And then for my next step, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Glycelene Rejuvenation Creme. And that's what this looks like. It's just a really soft, buttery cream. I'm just gonna take like a little bit, tiny amount. So I'm just going to take it on my fingers and then rub it into my whole hand. And then for my last step, I'm using my Hanua Elena oil. And this is like a beautiful turmeric oil. And I take about 7 drops and I rub it in my hands. Alright, and so my skin is now prepped and ready to go for makeup, which I'm gonna do now. And my plan with the Rejuvenation Creme is to just use that at night, but I wanted to put it on during the day so that you can see what it's like underneath like an oil. All of these products together has just made my skin very glowy and hydrated, and it feels really good. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that one during the daytime, but my main focus is to just use that one at night to repair. But overall, I feel like it's done like a really good job at like making my skin feel very hydrated and moisturized, and I really like that. And it all smells very good. It's all organic and natural and vegan, and yeah, so now that I've showed you how that fits into my little skincare routine, I'm going to finish up doing my makeup, and I will meet you back in my room for the rest of this video. Alright, so that's how I have started incorporating the new Glycelene products into my skincare routine. I will insert a photo of my skin from the other day on Instagram. I really liked how the picture came out because my skin just looked really fresh and radiant, and so I will insert that in now. And yeah, I've just been really enjoying those new products that I picked up. I know I wanted to pick up some more like makeup and stuff, but let me show you what my other purchase was that ended up being not what I expected but knew was coming. So this is what I had to get. It is a new iMac, and I picked it up from Costco with the Apple Care because that is so important to get whenever you get an Apple device. But you know, it comes with the keyboard and the mouse. Here's my little makeshift mouse pad because I haven't gotten one yet. But yeah, I've just been like working with it and learning about it, and I'm so excited to keep using it. So I ended up having to get a brand new iMac. I got the 21.5-inch iMac with the i5 processor. It was expensive, and it took up my whole budget to, you know, spend some extra money on makeup, but I did really need to get it. So over 7 years ago, I purchased a MacBook Pro, and I've been using that and loving that computer ever since. Just within the last 6 months, it started getting really slow, and it's also not updatable anymore, which is a bummer. So because it's been so slow, it like worries me that like all of my photos and videos from like the past 7 years that are on it, I was worried that it was gonna crash and I would lose it, because that happened to like my previous computer like 10 years ago, and I lost all those photos on that computer. And so I've been really worried about that, and so I purchased an external hard drive to put all of those photos and videos on, but it was just taking forever. And now that I've gotten into more current years with everything that I'm recording in like 4K, even just like short clips that are 30 seconds of like my dog or cat playing would take like 10 minutes to put onto the external drive. So it was just taking so long, and then there were times my computer just like would turn off and then not turn back on for a while. And it was just really getting like worrisome to me. So I've been expecting to have to buy a new computer, but I just wasn't expecting to do it so soon. But I did pick up my new iMac, and I'm so happy with it. It was very expensive, but well worth it, and I'm excited to use it and be able to learn more like editing techniques and like different stuff like that. Like I'm really excited to like use it and work with it and learn more about it and like all the different things that I can be doing with it. So I'm really excited about that. Like I said, this ended up being like a great haul, and I'm so happy with everything. It just wasn't what I expected it to be, but I'm really, really happy with all of my purchases. So yeah, that is it for my little Glycelene / Sephora / Apple haul. It was expected but unexpected at the same time. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I still want to do the giveaway, but I haven't hit 100 subscribers yet. I think I need like 6 more subscribers and then I'm at 100. So I'm hoping to get there really soon. I hope at least by like my birthday, which is May 22nd, that I can hit 100 subscribers. That would be super, super awesome. Almost there. Fingers crossed that we can do that so I can do a little giveaway with you guys. And yeah, other than that, that's it. I hope that you guys liked this video, and let me know in the comments, have you had to make any splurgy purchases lately that were unexpected or needed or wanted? If so, let me know down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!